Oh, good. I want to tell you, the Radiation Affairs Support Office from Langley, Virginia, is going to be at this meeting.
Oh, cool.
And
I
so
could
it's
go bother them because I go to
it's
Virginia all the time.
very important that people speak up to tell them what's happening. So any chance you get, even break the rules and speak up. They'll try to stop you, but do it anyway. Don't be
You don't want to
stopped.
get kicked out, though.
They aren't going to kick you out. They'll just stop you. Hey, Martha. I've been coming to these meetings for 4 years, and I have been plenty confrontational with these people, and they've never kicked me out. So don't worry about that. Really.
All right, we're going to do it again.
Okay, are we going to do it again?
Yeah, we have another sign. And then Toby's going to be here with hers. Toby's here.
Good. I gotta stop walking around.
Okay.
Can you hold that sign up so that
No,
I can
because
video
it's too
you?
big.
Can you just hold the whistleblowers part and let me just hold that part?
Cosme, can you get one end? Maybe if we hold it up above our heads, she can get the...
Actually, hold it under your chins. Oh, yes, I can. That's good. That's excellent. Wait a minute, hold on, I'll zoom in on you. Excellent. Hi, Toby. That's beautiful. Hold still a minute. One more. Okay. Lovely.